All right, so if your designs look good, but still feel a bit flat, yeah, that's because they're static. In 2026, animation is what makes content stand out, and Canva makes it super easy. So let's go step by step and learn how to animate your designs properly. First, open any design in Canva. It could be a social post, presentation, or video project. Animation works across almost everything. Now, click on the element you want to animate. It could be text, an image, a shape, or even the whole page. At the top, click the Animate button. This is where all motion effects are stored. Now you'll see different animation styles like fade, pop, rise, or slide. Pick one that matches your design style. Don't overdo it. If you want everything to move together, use page animations. This affects the whole design instead of individual elements. You can also control how fast or slow your animations play. Slower animations feel smooth. Faster ones feel energetic. Here's where it gets interesting. You can combine animations. For example, text fading in while an image zooms. Just don't go too crazy. Keep it clean. In presentations, animations help guide attention. Reveal points one by one instead of showing everything at once. You can also use animated stickers, GIFs, or video elements from Canva's library. These make your design feel more dynamic and engaging. Always preview your animation before exporting. Make sure nothing feels too fast, too slow, or distracting. So yeah, that's how you animate designs in Canva. A little motion goes a long way. It grabs attention, guides focus, and makes your content feel alive. Just keep it simple and let the animation support your message.